Right, kia ora. Today we're gonna learn about expanding brackets. Okay, so you have been learning this from your junior years. We're just gonna add on a little bit more. Right, kia ora. Good. Okay, kia ora. Today we're gonna learn about expanding brackets. There are three different main type of cases where first we have two brackets and we have three brackets, or we have brackets and terms. Okay, let's look at how we're gonna do all of them. So first of all, when you get a bracket 5x minus 3 and you got a square right on the top, you cannot just square the two numbers. You can't just square the 5x and square the 3. It's not equals to 25x squared and minus 9. It does not equal to that. Okay, so you want to make sure the square telling you is you got two brackets. Okay? Make sure you want to put the two brackets out. So 5x minus 3, your first bracket, 5x minus 3, and you got your second bracket, 5x minus 3. Okay, this is exactly what it means. Okay. Once you have two brackets coming out, I always suggest people to draw lines and having a good structure with how you're going to draw your lines. Okay, so what it means by a good structure and good sequence is how I would like to do. I always start from the first terms going to the first terms at the back. So 5x times 5x. Second one, I go 5x minus 3. Okay, that was the second line that I draw. The next one, now I go to the second term, negative 3, and make sure negative 3 times the 5x, and make sure it's negative 3 times negative 3. Okay, having a good system means you will not do the same thing twice, or you will not miss out any terms, forget to multiply each other. Okay, so start from the first term multiply the 2 at the back. Okay, the second term multiply the 2 at the back. Right, so first line 5x times 5x give you 25x squared. Second line 5x multiplied negative 3 give you negative 15x. Negative 3 times negative 5x give you negative 15x. Negative 3 times negative 3 give you positive 9. Okay? After you've done that, you want to simplify it, and we got two like terms here, negative 15x and negative 15x. Okay? So copy down the first part, 25x squared. Negative and negative give you a negative 30x. Okay? And a plus 9's at the back. So this is your final answers right there. Okay? Now let's come to three brackets. Likewise, I can't just go 2 to the power of 3, it's 8, and x cubed, and take away 27. That is a bit too easy. You're never gonna do that. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this, in case it's so confusing. Okay, get rid of this. So when you got a 3 at the top, that means you got 3 brackets, okay? 3 brackets. Now we're gonna write 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, and a 2x minus 3. Now you have 3 brackets right here. How are we gonna do this? We're gonna start step by step. Step by step is so key. Step by step means I'm gonna do the first 2 brackets first, okay? So let's put this box means I'm gonna start dealing with the brackets, the 2 brackets at the front. Later on, I'm gonna do the last brackets at the back, okay? Same, my red pen for the line. Okay, first term to the first term to the last term, second term to the first term, second term to the last term. So first to first to last, okay? So it's a system. Right, I will keep that brackets on, right? 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 3 give you negative 6x. Negative 3 times 2x give you negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3 give you positive 9. Okay, close your bracket. So it doesn't matter how my brackets look like this. And copy that down, 2x minus 3. Okay, it does seem a bit long. Let's simplify that. Let's simplify that. So they are the same term, negative 6 and negative 6. I can rewrite this. I'm going to turn this into normal brackets now. Now I don't have a double bracket. So 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. This gonna times 2x minus 3. Okay, this is where your system's starting to be very important, because I need to make sure every single terms has multiplied every single terms at the brackets at the back. Okay, so first 4x squared multiplied 2x, 4x squared multiplied negative 3, negative 12x times 2x, negative 12x times negative 3. I'm gonna add on one more set of lines, so I'm gonna use green color. Positive 9 times 2x, positive 9 times negative 3. Okay, so there are 6 lines going on now. 6 lines. First, 4x squared times 2x, 8x cubed. 4x squared times negative 3 give you negative 12x squared. Negative 12x times 2x give you negative 24x squared. Positive 9, negative 12x times negative 3, positive 36x. Okay, still go on. We have 4 terms, we have 2 more to go, okay? Positive 9 times 2x, 18x. Positive 9 times negative 3 is a negative 27. So long, okay? We're gonna start collecting things. So x squared and x squared, okay? And I can do the one with x with plus the one with x, right? So equals to 8x cubed minus 36x squared plus 454x minus 27. Okay, now this is done. Okay, collecting items. Are we alright? Okay. Going on to the last bit. When you see you got brackets, you got a square, and then you got a terms at the front, do not freak out. Okay. According to base maths, brackets start first. So we're gonna start dealing with everything with the brackets. Okay, let's do that. So according to base maths, bracket first. Okay, make sure you do bracket first, okay? So that bracket means it's x minus 3 times x minus 3. So copy the rest, negative 4x squared and x minus 3, x minus 3. Okay, that's it, right? We use our line to help us out right here, like that, okay? So you got negative 4x squared, and that is, brackets still there, x squared, x times x squared, x times negative 3 is negative 3x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Okay, right there. Simplify whatever that's inside first. X squared minus 6x plus 9. Okay, now you got the terms outside. It's a negative 4x squared. What is it doing there? It is trying to multiply all of them. Okay? Don't tell me it's trying to take away, okay? It is trying to multiply all of them. So negative 4x squared times x squared gives you negative 4. Oh, did I use the wrong pen? Equals to negative 4x4. Negative 4x squared times negative 6x gives you a positive 24x cubed. Negative 4x squared times positive 9 gives you a negative 36x squared. Okay, right. Be quite careful with your positive and negative. Drawing line will always help you with how you want to multiply, okay? Even until nowadays, I will still draw lines because you don't want to believe in your brain. It will sometimes lie to you, but if you believe in a good system will never lie to you. Okay. Good luck with